Let's practice. Remember, they are is positive affirmative. They are. Question, switch. Are they? Practice questions. Make a question. Leaving?
Are they leaving?
Yes, they are. Make a question. Leaving? Yes, they are. Make a question. Leaving today?
Are they leaving today?
Yes, they are leaving today. Make a question. Leaving today? Yes, they are leaving today. Make a question. Flying?
Are they flying?
Yes, they are. Make a question. Flying? Yes, they are flying. Make a question. Where?
Where are they flying?
Very good. They are flying to New York. Make a question. Where? They are flying to New York. Let's practice. Remember, he is. He is for positive affirmative. To make a question, switch. Is he? Make a question. Driving?
Is he driving?
Yes, he is driving. Make a question. Driving? Yes, he is driving. Question. Walking?
Is he walking?
No, he's not walking. Make a question. Walking? No, he's not walking. Make a question. Driving to the airport?
Is he driving to the airport?
No, he's not. Make a question. Driving to the airport? No, he's not driving to the airport. Make a question. Where?
Where is he driving?
He's driving to the office. Make a question. Where? He's driving to the office. Very good. Question for distance. How far? How? How? Far. Fa, far. How far? Question for distance. How far? Repeat. Very good. Question for distance. How far? We make a question, we switch. Positive. It is. Question, switch. Is it? Is it? For question. How far is it? Connector to for direction. How far is it to? The hospital. Remember, for hospital, always the hospital. Complete question. How far is it to the hospital? Respond, it's 5 minutes away. It's 5 minutes away. Again, question. How far is it to the hospital? Respond, it's 5 minutes away. Let's practice. How far is it to the hospital?
It's 5 minutes away.
Very good. How far is it to the hospital? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. How far is it to the bus stop?
It's 10 minutes away.
Very good. How far is it to the bus stop? Respond. Very good. Let's practice the question for distance. Question for distance. How far is it to the hospital? Respond, it's 5 minutes away. Make a question for distance and the hospital.
How far is it to the hospital?
It's 5 minutes away. Make a question for distance and the hospital. Make a question. It's 5 minutes away. Very good. Let's practice question for distance. Make a question for distance and the airport.
How far is it to the airport?
It's 20 minutes away. Make a question for distance and the airport. Make a question. It's 20 minutes away. Very good. Let's practice. Make a question for distance and the lake.
How far is it to the lake?
It's 30 minutes away. Make a question for distance and the lake. Make a question. It's 30 minutes away. Good job. Let's practice. Questions. Positive, she is. Question, switch. Is she? Question, is she? Make a question. Walking?
Is she walking?
No, she's not walking. Make a question. Walking? No, she's not walking. Very good. Make a question. Driving?
Is she driving?
No, she's not driving. Make a question. Driving? No, she's not driving. Make a question. Going to work?
Is she going to work?
Yes, she is going to work. Make a question. Going to work? Yes, she is going to work. Make a question. Taking the bus?
Is she taking the bus to work?
Yes, she's taking the bus to work. Make a question. Taking the bus? Yes, she is taking the bus to work. Make a question. Waiting for the bus?
Is she waiting for the bus?
Yes, she is. Make a question. Waiting for the bus? Yes, she is. Let's practice. Questions. Remember, she is. Question. Switch. Is she? Make a question. A secretary?
Is she a secretary?
Yes, she is a secretary. Make a question. A secretary? Yes, she is a secretary. Make a question. Where?
Where is she?
She's at work. Make a question. Where? She's at work. Very good. Make a question. Answering the phone?
Is she answering the phone?
Yes, she is. Make a question. Answering the phone? Yes, she is. Make a question. Checking emails?
Is she checking emails?
Yes, she is checking emails. Make a question. Checking emails? Yes, she is. Very good. Let's practice. Questions. They are. Positive. They are. Question. Switch. Are they? Make a question. Where?
Where are they?
They are in the office. Make a question. Where? They are in the office. Make a question. Doing. For activity. Question. Doing.
What are they doing?
They are working. Make a question for activity. Doing. Make a question. They are working. Make a question. Co-workers?
Are they co-workers?
Yes, they are co-workers. Make a question. Co-workers? Yes, they are co-workers. Make a question. Going out for a drink after work?
Are they going out for a drink after work?
Very good. Yes, they are going out for a drink after work. Make a question. Going out for a drink after work? Make a question. Yes, they are. Very good. Let's practice. Make questions with they are. They are. Positive. Question. Are they? Make a question. Where?
Where are they?
They are at home. Make a question. Where? They are at home. Make a question. Watching TV after dinner?
Are they watching TV after dinner?
Yes, they are watching TV after dinner. Make a question. Watching TV after dinner? Make a question. Yes, they are. Make a question. Watching TV at night?
Are they watching TV at night?
Yes, they are. Make a question. Watching TV at night? Yes, they are. Make a question. Sitting. Question. Where?
Where are they sitting?
They're sitting on the couch. Make a question. Where? Sitting. Make a question. They're sitting on the couch. Very good. Let's practice. Question for activity. Doing. Make a question for they.
What are they doing?
They are playing board games. Make a question for activity. They. Make a question. They're playing board games. Make a question for she.
What is she doing?
She's doing homework. Make a question for activity and she. She's doing homework. Make a question. Getting tired.
Are they getting tired?
Yes, they are getting tired. Make a question. Getting tired. Make a question. Yes, they are. Very good. Let's practice. Question. Putting on pajamas.
Are they putting on pajamas?
Yes, they are putting on pajamas. I say pajamas. She says pajamas. Two pronunciations are correct. Question. Putting on pajamas? Make a question. Yes, they are. Very good. Question. Wearing pajamas?
Are they wearing pajamas?
Yes, they are wearing pajamas. Make a question. Wearing pajamas? Yes, they are. Let's practice. Question. Make a question. Getting tired.
Is she getting tired?
Yes, she is getting tired. Make a question. Getting tired. Yes, she is getting tired. Make a question. Why?
Why is she getting tired?
Because it's late. Make a question. Why? Because it's late. Question for time. What time? Switch for question. It is. Switch. Is it? Complete question. What time is it? What time is it? Repeat. Very good. Let's practice questions. Question for time. Make a question for time.
What time is it?
It's 9 p.m. Make a question for time. It's 9 p.m. Make a question for activity. Doing.
What are they doing?
They're going to bed. Make a question for activity. Doing. Make a question. They're going to bed. It's 9 o'clock. Question. What time is it? Respond. It's 9 o'clock. Uck. A cl. A claw. K, a clock. A clock. It's 9 o'clock. Repeat. Very good. It's 9 o'clock. A clock. 2 zeros. A clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 3:45. 45? No o'clock. No, it's 3:45 o'clock. Only it's 3:45. It's 9 o'clock. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice questions. Question for time.
What time is it?
It's 9:15. Make a question for time. It's 9:15. Make a question. Asleep.
Are they asleep?
Yes, they are. Make a question. Asleep. Yes, they are. Make a question. Awake.
Are they awake?
Yes, they are awake. Make a question. Awake. Very good. Make a question. Doing. Activity.
What are they doing?
They are sleeping. Make a question. Activity. Doing. They are sleeping. Make a question. Activity.
What are they doing?
They're watching TV. Make a question for activity. They are watching TV. Very good.